Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and power because weak supply ruins tests. Connect a regulated 3.75V source. Make sure ground is common between modules and controller. Install antennas. GSM needs proper orientation, and GPS needs a clear view of sky for satellites. Once done, insert the SIM and confirm no PIN or set it in initialization. Make sure voltage levels match or add a logic level shifter. This prevents burnt pins and intermittent behavior during initial communications. You now wire TX to RREX and secure grounds, then power the modules while watching startup LEDs. Open a serial monitor at the module baud rate. Send AT and expect OK. This verifies GSM. Next, enable GPS NME output and watch GPRMC or GGA sentences to confirm satellite fix. You parse latitude/longitude and timestamp. Once GPS provides a fix, use at plus CMGF equals 1 and at plus CMGS to send an SMS with coordinates. Make sure to add modest delays between commands so the module can process them. You finish by integrating coordinate parsing and GSM transmission into your app loop, packaging time, lat/lon, and a checksum before sending. Optimize by using module sleep modes and reduce transmit frequency to save power. If precise time is needed, sync to GPS time or use an RTC. If things go wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. When you get no GPS fix or no GSM network, move outdoors. Reset the antenna and SIM and confirm APN/account settings, then rerun at plus Craig.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.